Did you know that adding sweet potatoes to your diet could transform your health and culinary experiences forever? Sweet potatoes are not only delicious and nutritious, but also incredibly easy to cook. Their earthy sweet flavor pairs perfectly with savory spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, making them a versatile ingredient in various recipes. Often hailed as a healthier alternative to white potatoes, sweet potatoes boast an array of health benefits. With over 400 varieties available, sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and beta-carotene. Despite containing more calories than regular potatoes, they have lower starch and sugar content, resulting in a lower impact on blood sugar levels. In the next few minutes, we'll discover the remarkable health benefits of incorporating sweet potatoes into your daily diet. It's important to note that all information provided in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. So, let's dive in and explore the top 9 benefits of eating sweet potatoes every day. Number 1, super antioxidant boost. Sweet potatoes are loaded with antioxidants, acting as the body's defense against the harmful effects of free radicals. These troublemakers can damage cells, potentially leading to conditions like cancer. Luckily, sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. Beta-carotene not only gives sweet potatoes their vibrant orange color, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. It helps keep your vision sharp, your skin healthy, and your mucous membranes in good shape. Plus, some studies suggest that beta-carotene may also help reduce inflammation by calming down the body's inflammatory responses. This makes sweet potatoes a great addition to your diet for fighting off oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 2, rich in vitamin C and B vitamins. Vitamin C is vital for your body's well-being, aiding in the maintenance of healthy skin, bones, and tissues. It also supports wound healing, enhances iron absorption, and bolsters the immune system. Sweet potatoes serve as a good source of vitamin C with just 1 cup of boiled sweet potato, containing around 28 milligrams of this essential nutrient. That's roughly 34% of the daily recommended intake for individuals consuming 2,000 calories a day. The vitamin C found in sweet potatoes not only strengthens the immune system, but also contributes to gum and teeth health and facilitates wound healing. Additionally, sweet potatoes provide about 20% of your daily vitamin B6 requirement. Vitamin B6 plays a role in mood regulation and maintaining normal brain function. Furthermore, vitamin B5, also present in sweet potatoes, supports healthy skin and helps prevent acne breakouts. Number 3, abundant in various essential nutrients. Sweet potatoes pack a punch when it comes to providing essential minerals like iron, copper, zinc, and manganese. These minerals are crucial for maintaining overall health and preventing deficiencies in the body. Additionally, the white flesh of sweet potatoes is rich in starch, which is converted into sugar during digestion. Despite this, sweet potatoes remain a great source of fiber and slow-burning carbohydrates, offering sustained energy levels without causing blood sugar spikes. With their low-fat content and high dietary fiber, sweet potatoes are particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome. Moreover, their fiber content aids in regulating blood sugar levels, potentially lowering the risk of diabetes. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in various ways, from baking and boiling to sautéing with olive oil for added flavor. If you've been enjoying our content so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Number 4, support gut health. Sweet potatoes play a significant role in nurturing the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, aiding in the fight against infections and inflammation. They are particularly rich in prebiotics, which are dietary fibers known to foster the growth of healthy bacteria in the colon. Research suggests that regular consumption of prebiotics can enhance digestive health by alleviating issues like constipation and diarrhea over time. Moreover, sweet potatoes boast a high content of resistant starch, another type of fiber that promotes the proliferation of beneficial gut bacteria. A study published in the Journal of Food Chemistry even highlights the antioxidant properties of sweet potatoes, making them a smart choice for individuals aiming to reduce their risk of chronic diseases. Number 5, anti-inflammatory benefits. Sweet potatoes are abundant in carotenoids, such as beta-carotene, which possess antioxidant properties. These compounds play a crucial role in shielding against various diseases like cancer, heart disease, and macular degeneration. Research indicates that incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can aid in reducing inflammation due to the anti-inflammatory properties of these carotenoids. In fact, some studies suggest that the carotenoids found in sweet potatoes may offer comparable effectiveness to anti-inflammatory medications, but without the associated side effects. Number 6. Stable blood sugar levels. Sweet potatoes not only offer anti-inflammatory benefits, but also play a role in regulating blood sugar levels, potentially reducing the risk of diabetes. Despite containing more starch than many other vegetables, sweet potatoes are classified as low glycemic index foods. This means they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels like high glycemic index foods do. A study conducted in 2008 revealed that individuals who replaced white potatoes with sweet potatoes experienced lower blood sugar levels even after consuming high glycemic index foods like bread or pasta afterward. Researchers attribute this to the presence of beta-carotene in sweet potatoes, which slows down digestion, resulting in more stable blood sugar levels compared to the rapid spikes observed with white potatoes. Number 7. Promote optimal vision. The presence of vitamin A in sweet potatoes is crucial for maintaining healthy eyesight by preserving the integrity of the cornea's surface, making it more resilient to damage from ultraviolet light exposure. Furthermore, vitamin A aids in preventing cataracts, a condition characterized by cloudiness in the lens caused by sun exposure or aging. Sweet potatoes are also rich in vitamin B6, which supports macular health, an essential aspect of maintaining good vision, and prevents macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in individuals aged 60 and older. Number 8. Blood pressure management. Sweet potatoes, rich in potassium, help regulate sodium levels in the body, thereby lowering blood pressure. They also contain beta-carotene, which triggers the release of nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels and reducing blood pressure. A study in Japan found that consuming 100 to 200 grams boiled sweet potatoes daily for 3 months led to a significant drop in systolic blood pressure. Number 9. Aid in weight loss. Sweet potatoes offer a trifecta of benefits for weight loss. Low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with nutrients. They contribute to weight management by inducing a sense of fullness, boosting metabolism, and potentially reducing cholesterol levels. Sweet potatoes are also a source of resistant starch, which bypasses digestion and serves as fuel for beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria metabolize resistant starch into short-chain fatty acids, which can curb appetite and enhance feelings of satiety. Sweet potatoes are not only highly nutritious but also delicious when baked or roasted. Try to resist the urge to peel sweet potatoes, as their skins are rich in nutrients. Peeling them removes some of these vital vitamins and minerals. Whether boiled, baked, or fried, sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various dishes. If you're seeking a fantastic source of fiber, look no further than the sweet potato. If you think sweet potatoes are amazing, wait till you hear about the unbelievable benefits of chia seeds from this next video.